Let's start. Today we will see how to merge multiple rows and columns in HTML. In the body tag, we have a table tag. In the first row, we have two table header th tags. In the first th tag, we have attributed the colspan to 2. This will merge two columns into one. Then in the second row, we have defined some content. And we have another table below here. In the first row, we have some headers. In the second row, we have attributed the rowspan to 2. This will merge two rows into one. In the third row, we have defined some content. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, in this table, the name column is basically two columns merged into one. And in this table, the phone row is basically two rows merged into one. So that's it. That's how you can merge rows and columns in a table in the HTML. Thank you.